Hello everyone, welcome. I am going to show you how to load data packs. Alright, let's go ahead and get to this. Now of course the easiest way to do this is when you first create the world. I'll show you this one and then I'll show you another way. And when you're first creating a world, you can actually just click data packs. And then you open pack folder and you just drag and drop it in and create your world, and just like that it'll be up and running. Pretty easy, right? That's the easiest way to do it. But you can still do it another way. Let's get to that. Now I'm back in the world, and let's assume we've loaded this world and you don't have any data packs, period. What you can do is go escape, options, then open up resource packs. You don't have to do it this way. The whole idea is you're just trying to get to your save folder. But if you want to get there fast, open your resource packs folder, and down on the bottom left it'll be an option that says open folder. Click on that and it'll open up in your computer your resource packs folder. Just go up one and then go to the saves folder and then go to the name of the world that you created. And in that folder there will be a folder called data packs, and in that folder is where you put your data pack. Okay, so once it's done that, then you can exit out and then come back in the world, save and quit and then come back in, and usually that loads it. Otherwise you can go like this. Okay, so escape, and if you don't have cheats already enabled, you have to enable them. Otherwise you can just skip this. But if you don't have cheats, open the LAN, make sure cheats are on, start LAN world. That'll at least let you do cheats. Then do data pack list, and this will show you what data packs you have. Like here's one I'm testing out right now, and it'll tell you if they're enabled or not. Right here it says they're already enabled. If they're not, you can just do data pack enable, and then you type in what you see here, Halloween dimension. Let's try that. Okay, data pack. You would do enable and then you would type it in like you see there. However, there is one issue. You see how there's a space between these two words? Watch this. If I just type it in, it thinks it's a different part of the command. If I were you, when you put the data pack in your folder, if there are space between the words, I would delete that space so it's all one word. Therefore, you could just type in Halloween dimension. Of course, right now it's not going to work because the space isn't there, so I'd highly suggest you get rid of the space. Otherwise, that should enable it. But of course, you really shouldn't have to actually use the enable feature. Mostly you just use that to disable a pack, because if you open a world and then put that data pack in the data packs folder, exit out and then come back in, it'll even give you a screen saying that you're loading experimental, here be dragons, That's proof that the data pack has been loaded. So that's really the way to do it. Is that pretty simple? Yeah, I sometimes find it complicated too. And that's the unfortunate thing about data packs is even though this is the process to load them, it doesn't mean that's always going to work, because data packs are often created from all kinds of different users and bugs are quite frequent. So just be aware of that. If you're downloading a data pack and you have the idea to use it in your world, highly suggest you load a test world first and make sure it works before you load it into the world you want it in, because they've been known to do weird things. Yeah, including the small potential possibility of even corrupting your world. So be aware of that. Okay. All right. Well, even though this is confusing, I definitely think that if you have questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below. Okay. But that is how you load data packs.